Hey guys, it's Katie, and today we are doing a 5-minute crop top abs workout to help you feel confident in anything you wear this spring. I'm so excited because we are kicking off the first week of our Spring Slim Down Challenge. It's a free 4-week challenge, and if you haven't signed up yet, I'm gonna put the link below for you, so go sign up and get started with us. I have two of my besties with me because it's always more fun to work out with friends. So if you're looking for modifications, you're gonna follow along with Natalie, and Allie is gonna do a little bit of an up level with me. As always, you don't need any equipment, just your beautiful self. We're gonna get started right on that mat, and it's only 5 minutes. So if you are ready to rock those crop tops, sweat the thumbs up and let's get started. All right, real fast before we get started, I just have to talk about how adorable these outfits are. Look how cute. I'm pretty sure a high waist and crop just makes everyone feel confident and good, but they're from the new line at Fabletics. They have the cutest new spring stuff, and I'm gonna put a link below for their VIP program for you guys so you can get some special deals. And don't forget that part of the Spring Slim Down Challenge, the grand prize, is a $500 shopping spree. So if that's not reason enough to sign up, like, I don't know what it is. I'll put the links down below for you guys. But now let's focus on these abs right here. You're gonna come onto your side body to start. Again, modifications over here with Natalie. Bend your bottom leg. For the first move, you're gonna lift your hips and then reach toward your toes. You don't have to touch them all the way. And then bring it back down and crunch it in. That's it, ready? Let's go. We're gonna go up, down, in, out, lift. And really engage that core as you move. Good. Squeeze those abs at the top. So you're really hitting both sides of your obliques. The bottom one's lifting those hips up, and then the top as you squeeze and try to touch the leg. In. Good. Lift. Let's do 4 more on the side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hold it up and try to pulse it. Just 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. This little bonus round for you girls. 2 and 1. Exhale, let it go. Switching sides, roll over. Same thing here. On your side, bend that knee. You're gonna lift and reach. Lower, bend it in. Out, lift and reach. Squeeze your abs. Whether you rock crop tops, you wanna rock them, or you just wanna feel more confident moving through life, sitting down, everything you're doing, these moves are really gonna help target the core. And if you're lifting your hips, you kind of get that bonus of the outer thigh too, which is really nice. And up, squeeze in and lift. 4 more together. 4, 3, 2, and we're gonna hold it up on this last one. Ready? Hold it up. Tap. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, let it go. Come back over, and coming onto your back, we have some scissors. So for these scissors, if you want to take it up a level, you're gonna lift your shoulders off the mat. Zip your rib cage up, extend your legs long, and then lower them as low as you can. Squeeze, squeeze, and kick up and down. Good. Little kicks. Keep squeezing right around that belly button as tight as you can. Try to get as low as you can by pressing that low back into the mat, kicking your legs tight, tight. So even if you have this modified version, your legs are a little higher, your shoulders are down, the tighter you can keep your feet, the closer together, the more you're gonna feel it work. A few more here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hug the knees in, quick break. Extend everything long for some X factors. You're gonna take your right arm up and touch your left toes. Bring it down and switch. Get those shoulders off the mat. So here we're gonna be working the whole rectus abdominis, all those abs from the top to the bottom. Think about that 6-pack. Get it pop, pop, popping. Up. If this is a strain on the neck, again, you can leave it down on the floor, or you can support your head with the opposite hand as you move and switch. Good. 8, 7. Woo, each side, you got this. Keep moving. 4 more on each side. 3, 2. Last one. Exhale, let it go. Quick break. How are we doing? Good? Okay, final move. We have a butterfly with a reverse crunch. So your knees come open wide, hands behind the head. You're gonna exhale, knees come up to meet the elbows, elbows to knees, squeeze it tight, straighten your legs and lift your hips. We're gonna make it one fluid motion. So you go up, lift, lower down, lift and lower, lift and lower. Exhale. Really targeting those lower abs, especially on that little hip lift, the little reverse crunch here. Oh my goodness, are we feeling them yet? Yes? Yes, yes, good. And down, and lower. Good, keep it moving, that little burn. Let's do 4 more and then I'm gonna finish us off with some just reverse crunches, just those hip lifts. 2 more. Now just the hips, lift, up, up. Good, yes, squeeze it tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Exhale, let it go, full body stretch. Give yourself a little round of applause. Woo! Give those abs some love. Oh my goodness. All right, let's stretch them out. Come all the way onto your stomach, let it go. This is my favorite ab stretch. You guys do it all the time, you know this. So hands by the shoulders, exhale, and then inhale, push the ground away. Let everything below the waist be super heavy and just feel that stretch. Pull the shoulders away from the ears and breathe. Oh, feels so good. Drop the weight into your left hip, gaze over your right shoulder. And then switch it out. Come back to center. One more big inhale and exhale into child's pose. I get asked all the time, how often should I do this workout? It's so important to switch things up, which is exactly why I have the free daily workouts for you girls and the Spring Slim Down Challenge. So if you aren't signed up yet, it's totally free. Again, click that link below, get signed up, and you'll know exactly what to do every single day to work every inch of your body so you can feel amazing. If you're doing the challenge with Team LSF, comment below and say, I'm in. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you guys next week for another awesome workout. Bye.